Okay guys, I just wanted to point out some of the differences in products. The radiator at the bottom is the quality stuff that we sell. This is a Ron Davis heavy duty 3-core Coyote radiator with our Phantom Spall fan that is a variable speed fan. It weighs about 18 pounds, very heavy duty. It's not rated in CFM because it's an 800 watt motor and it's variable speed, so it changes with the temperature of the engine, so it doesn't have a hard start, so you don't need a big solenoid to power it. You don't need a bunch of extra fuses and relays and all kinds of extra stuff to run it, because it starts slowly, so it has a very low draw at startup versus this little standard 16-inch Spall. As you can see, the motor is very tiny. This motor is very large. With the small motor, no matter what size the fan is, you can only get a very small amount of CFM. This here is only 1918 CFM. Absolutely will not cut it for a Coyote or a small block. As you can see how twinky the wire is, this is ours. They're battery cables. So it's all really high quality stuff. This one right here, I guarantee that your engine will overheat, especially with air conditioning. With our kit, I guarantee it will not overheat. I've never had one of these overheat as long as I've been running this system. Not one overheating issue ever. This one right here, I just had a guy call me the other day running this same system with this Champion radiator with a small block in his race truck. Had overheating problems. He put this one in, is consistently running 20 to 30 degrees cooler with this fan. So way better stuff. The quality of the radiator is much higher. It weighs about 21 pounds. This one weighs 13. In motors and radiators, weight equals quality. The less weight a radiator weighs, which means that there's more or less fins and tubes per inch than this higher quality radiator. So, and the same thing with the fan motor. The bigger and heavier the fan motor is, the more CFM it can turn. And so, as you can see, one is way better quality-wise, and they're right about the same height. So there's no advantage to running this smaller stuff.